Hello friends, welcome to Sightwords Journey with me. Today, we are going to learn some very special words together. Words you see everywhere, in your books, on signs, and all around you. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is A. A. Now let's make a sentence with A. A man sat on the mat. A. The next word is and. And. Now let's make a sentence with and. My mom and I will travel tomorrow. And. Another word we'll be looking at is be. Be. Let's make a sentence with be. It can never be me. Be. The next word we'll look at is I. I. Let's make a sentence with I. I am a girl. I. The next word is. Is. Let's make a sentence with is. She is my friend. Is. The next word is in. Let's make a sentence with in. My pen is in my bag. In. Another word is eat. Let's make a sentence with eat. I can do it. Eat. Another word is off. Let's make a sentence with off. This is a cup of water. Off. The next word we would look at today is we. Let's make a sentence with we. We are together. We are together. We. The next word is the. Let's make a sentence with the. The man can jump. The man can jump. The. Another word we'd look at is to. Let's make a sentence with to. Can you give the pen to her, please? To. The last word we'll look at today is me. Let's make a sentence with me. The pen is with me. For the next level of the sight words, please subscribe to this channel and share with your friends.